Hotel Akvastar is a real pearl on the banks of the Danube, located right next to the city beach and a few minutes from the city center. Comfortable and well-equipped rooms will give you the opportunity to have a good rest and enjoy a great view of the Danube. In addition to single and double rooms, the hotel has 6 studio apartments and 3 luxury apartments. During the day, you can enjoy the wellness and spa center, which includes an indoor and outdoor pool, saunas, a steam bath, massage chairs, and a gym. The hotel also has a conference hall and is suitable for organizing a variety of events, including team building. As for the gastronomic offer, the hotel has the restaurant Imperator, where traditional meat dishes and a wide selection of dishes for vegetarians are served. In the fish restaurant Terasa, Terrace, you can enjoy the most beautiful tastes and smells of the highest quality sea and river fish. The hotel organizes numerous tours of the Iron Gate region by boat and bus to a variety of natural and cultural attractions. With a tradition of more than 40 years of business, the Hotel Djerdap is located right on the banks of the Danube in the quiet center of the city. The hotel has 138 rooms and 6 suites. There is also free Wi-Fi throughout this 3-star rated hotel. The conference hall with 70 seats is ideal for presentations, workshops, or meetings. There is also a banquet hall with a capacity of 250 seats, which also meets all the requirements for holding conferences and seminars, as well as a wide variety of celebrations. The Golden Hall restaurant can accommodate 450 diners and offers excellent grilled specialties as well as refreshing salads. Parking in front of the hotel is free. The restaurant boat that takes you on sailing tours throughout Iron Gate region is stationed at the pier in front of the hotel's panoramic terrace. The hotel's panoramic terrace offers a view of neighboring Romania and unforgettable sunsets over the most attractive gorge in Europe. For lovers of adventure, ecology and nature, we recommend the accommodation in the Vila Promaja. This log cabin is built from natural materials and is located 22 kilometers from Kladovo. For the last 5 kilometers of the off-road approach to the villa, the hosts offer visitors free use of a 4-wheel drive vehicle. Vila Promaja can accommodate up to 6 guests. There are 2 French beds in the gallery, while there is a corner sofa in the living room. During your stay, you can relax in the jacuzzi, which is heated by wood from the forest. In addition to the attractive appearance and the comfort it provides, the log cabin has a large covered terrace with a barbecue, from where there is a breathtaking view of Đerdap. Nature lovers will enjoy walking along the well-maintained 5-kilometer-long footpath, starting in the vicinity of the cabin. In addition to air conditioning, the villa is equipped with a fully functional fireplace that gives a special atmosphere during colder periods. The Elite restaurant is a combination of modern and traditional cuisine, a place that will satisfy the taste of lovers of the most refined gastronomy. The restaurant's offer includes specialties of Italian, Greek, Mexican and Serbian cuisine, together with a large number of desserts and wines from all over Serbia. The restaurant is located in the center of the city and has a capacity of 100 guests. It is an ideal place for a holiday meal, and the friendly staff will ensure you enjoy the top quality food.